Assalamualaikum dear students, I am going to take the fun they had of class 9th which is written by Asaf Esmo. Asaf Esmo was born in 1920 and he died in 1992. He is a Russian-born American writer. He is known for his science fiction and his popular works in all branches of science. He entered Columbia University, dear students, when he was 15 years old, and he sold his first story to Amazing Stories when he was at the age of 18. He had also served their students in the World War II, which began from 1939 and ended 1945. He also earned a PhD degree at Columbia University in 1948. From 1949 to 1958, he taught biochemistry at the Boston University School of Medicine. His first science fiction novel, Pebble in the Sky, appeared in 1950, and his first science book, a biochemistry text written with two colleagues, which was published in 1953. His best-known science fiction works include The Robot 1950, The Foundation Trilogy 1951 to 1953, Foundation Edge 1982, The Naked Sun 1957, The Gods Themselves 1972. Can you imagine a time when all the books and schools shall vanish? Education will be imparted through computers and virtual classrooms. Dear students, this question is posed to you people. Is it possible that the time will come when there will be no schools, when there will be no books, and how the education will be imparted? It will be imparted through computers and virtual classrooms. Impart means, dear students, to pass. There is word vanish. Vanish means, dear students, disappear. The traditional system will be disappeared and there will be new system of education system, and it will be impart. What means, dear students, impart? Impart means to pass. To pass the knowledge, to pass the information, to pass education. How? Through computers, through virtual classrooms. Would you like such a system? This is another question, dear students, that is posed to you people. Would you like such a system? Means the new system and that the education is imparted through computers and virtual classrooms. Would you like that system? The story we shall read is set in the future. The story means, yes, the fun they had. The story is set in the future when traditional system of reading and writing shall be done away with. Traditional system means the education system where there are schools and where the education is given by the teachers to students. That is the traditional system. That will be done away with the students. And all the students shall become techno-savvy. What means techno-savvy, dear students? Techno-savvy means, dear students, all the students have to depend upon the modern technology, dear students. They will get the education through computers. Techno-savvy means, dear students, practical knowledge. Practical knowledge. Understanding. Dear students, before 10 or 15 years, you would not have imagined that the system will come, there will be a small gadget which you will carry in your pocket and by which you will get a lot of information and by which you will come into contact with a person at any corner of the world, dear students. And that is why the writer is going to stress about this system, a techno-savvy, that this system will come in the future, and the students will wholly and solely depend upon this. They shall interact with the teacher on the screen. How the students will interact with his teacher? they will interact with the teacher on the screen of a computer. Thank you.